Hey everybody! Happy Saturday! For those in Wisconsin, you're probably thinking, when is it going to get sunny? Today is homecoming. So my freshman, she's still sleeping from after the football game last night. It was kind of a late night, so she's sleeping. She'll be getting up soon, getting ready for homecoming tonight, so that's kind of interesting. Hey Nikki. Yeah, having a freshman in high school is very interesting. Hey, Melissa. So some people are jumping on. So welcome to day 3, hey Jamie, of our 11 days of lives where we're bringing you just little snippets, hi Nikki, of our new products. So today I get to talk to you about pink pepper. Hey Laura. So this was Anne Malay's piece to our event this past Tuesday in Eagle River, Wisconsin. So I'm just kind of sharing with you guys what she found and some pretty interesting things. She did a really good job, so I'm excited to share with you guys. So pink pepper, if you remember, was in the Harmony kit from doTERRA that they offered for Mother's Day, and it comes in a 5 milliliter. So this is now a permanent product for doTERRA's product line, and it's $22 wholesale. It's $29.33 retail. This interesting fact is the pink pepper. So while they look like the black pepper seeds, they're pink. Okay, so it comes from the seed. What you would see in your pepper grinders, sometimes you do see some pink peppercorns in there, but they're actually close related to cashews, and this is what Anne found. So when we look at, oh, they're related to cashews, does that mean that, someone with a nut allergy won't be able to use pink pepper? And that's actually not the case. Hey, Sandy. If someone has a nut allergy, pink pepper will not affect them, because what actually causes that allergic response in cashews comes from the proteins. So the essential oil does not have any proteins in it to set off that allergic reaction. So we source our pink pepper seeds from Peru, and then they're distilled in Guatemala. We have a second source in Kenya, because we know with doTERRA people, right? We need to have ample supply of our oils, and so in order to have it as a regular offering, they knew they needed 2 sources. So one is in Peru and one is in Kenya. For both countries, the farmers and harvesters are super excited because this is a new economic opportunity for them. Pink pepper was like, these seeds weren't being used for anything. They just kind of grow wild. The trees, they're pretty large. They're mainly shade trees on the side of the road, so they weren't really being used for anything. So in Kenya, specifically, doTERRA flew in a man named Kigo, and hi Dallas. Kigo was a very important part of the doTERRA sourcing, in that he was able to, his passion is kind of for empowering women in Kenya so that they can have more, I guess, stable and more positive ways of earning a living for their family. So he wants to make a change in the way that they support and earn an income. So doTERRA flew him in to convention. It was his first time stateside. That was kind of cool. Just an amazing man. You can tell he really has a heart for helping others and seeing that end to the poverty cycle, just kind of lifting others out of poverty. So it can be used topically, aromatically, and internally. It can be used aromatically for feelings of alertness, and so it blends really well with those spicy and citrus oils. You can get those going in your diffuser with pink pepper. Topically, you can apply it to a carrier oil and apply it anywhere topically, but Emily Wright at convention, she said this oil is going to be best used internally for the whole benefit to the body. So if you want to put 1 to 2 drops of pink pepper under your tongue, or in a capsule, or in a glass of water, this is going to benefit every inch of your body. So from the gastrointestinal system to the vascular and nervous system, the cardiovascular system, the liver and the kidneys. So this is actually reminds me a lot of copaiba. So you're getting a lot of different benefits. You're getting a lot of different systems activated with pink pepper. I'm going to talk about 2 of the chemical components. So we know that every essential oil, right, the benefits depend on those chemical constituents and what the chemical makeup is of that oil. So 2 major components of pink pepper are limonene and alpha-philandrine. So limonene is found in our citrus oils. It's very uplifting. It has a lot of uplifting benefits for mood. It can also support a healthy immune system. So helping your immune response and lifting that, it can also help with managing a healthy metabolism. You guys might sound, a lot of these oils we're presenting from convention have some of the same benefits. So this is going to help manage that normal blood sugar and those healthy cholesterol levels. So you can combine this one with Yarrow Pom in your veggie cap. Like frankincense, limonene also supports healthy cellular function. I'll get to that in a minute. But again, all these benefits come out more when the oil is being used internally. So let's talk about alpha-philandrine. This is actually kind of unique to pink pepper. I think if I remember right, Anne said pink pepper was the only essential oil that has alpha-philandrine. Anne, correct me if I'm wrong. But this protects and nurtures our cells. So research suggests that when taken internally, it can activate killer cells when we're not feeling well. So this is going to, again, give that boost in immunity. Your immune system's going to kick up. Those killer cells are going to be released, and this is going to stimulate that immune system. It also stimulates a healthy cell cycle. So let's go back to Biology 101. When our cells divide, right? It's called mitosis. So we want that cellular division process to be as healthy and normal as possible. We don't want abnormal cells or mutated cells going through this process. So this is going to help make that cell division process very healthy. It's also going to help cell death happen when it needs to happen. So when we think about our, hey Pramela, when we think about our DDR prime, right, we use that blend to help with this cellular process and healthy cellular function. It also supports a healthy inflammatory response. So if you want to combine this, a good companion oil to combine this with would be Aromatouch, the Aromatouch blend, and you can apply that topically to your calves and your legs if you're having any neuropathic pain. Because pink pepper is so protective for our cells, again, when combined with DDR prime, and you can use this both as a protection if you're going through a situation that requires extracellular support, or you can use this as a proactive measure for fighting or being susceptible to bigger issues. So pink pepper, when you think of pink pepper, think of the pink ribbon. This is one, again, take it internally with DDR prime. If you want to apply it topically to breast tissue, I think that's a good way to just be proactive on a daily basis. So it's going to help with that cell cycle, that healthy division process, and these two, DDR prime and pink pepper, can work hand in hand with that just to make sure that our cells aren't mutating improperly and promoting disease. That's all I have for you guys on pink pepper. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And again, thank you, Anne, for sharing your notes. I'm going to see if I can find the videos from convention and maybe put those in the comments below because they do such a good job at putting videos out for our products. So we'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.